What's going on, YouTube? It's Q back here again with another video for you. In this video, I'm doing something I ain't got no business doing. I'm here at Subaru of Ann Arbor, and Ann Arbor is a vibe. Shout out to Ann Arbor, not U of M, no. Go Ohio State. U of M is all right, but I'm here because I did the thing that I should never do, mess around on Auto Trader, and then I got curious, and I'm about to buy a car. So finally, I know y'all been waiting for me for the longest to buy a WRX. So I ordered 3 WRXs, a 2022, a 2023, and now I'm about to end up with a 2024. So that's what we're about to do in today's video. But before we start this, don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the bell, browse the channel. Let's jump into it. So in the previous video, I mentioned that I was selling my Integra Type S. So man, I've been all across the lower part of Metro Detroit, going from dealership to dealership, talking to all these Subaru dealerships, because the WRX always intrigued me. And I finally pulled the trigger. Almost. Still haven't met the final boss yet, so the car ain't mine yet, but we working on that. So I had another deal worked out, but they didn't finish through on the deal. I was trying to see what these numbers were looking like. I wanted to see some pictures of the car before I plunked down and bought it. This dealership had the car pictures on the website, but I never heard back from that dealership, and now they're closed. But I'm here. Today is the last day of the month, so you know they want to give better deals at the end of the month. So I'm here because I got a phenomenal deal. That APR is looking right. So let me show y'all the cars out here. Got a bunch of Rexes down that way. And then we got this Rex over here. This is the Rex that I want. So I came here, this was posted on their website. But as you can see, this one ain't for sale. This for employee of the month. What the hell? I wanted this car. So this is what I came here for. This is a TR, but I guess that's only reserved for the employee of the month. And they had one of these here Saturday, but unfortunately for me, it's sold. So a lot of these dealerships, it's the holiday weekend. So we just getting past Labor Day. That was yesterday by the time I record this video. A lot of dealerships in Michigan, they closed on Friday or closed after Friday, so they were closed on Saturday. Subaru Ann Arbor, they were open, so I could have came here and got that car, but I slept, and that red would have been fantastic in the TR, but can't get that one, so no use crying over spilled milk. What else they got? Now I see some base models. Tell by the 17-inch wheel. Base model. Y'all know I'm bougie. I can't work with the base model. More power to you if you can. Then we got some premiums over here. It's looking nicer, like the white. Shout out to Race Car Friends and the rest of the MOC, Honey Gang Nate, Blueprint 1LE. But Race Car Friends, he had one of these in a limited in white. Now, I would mess with the premium, but it would have to have the sunroof and the Harman Kardon for me to mess with it. Other than that, limited and above. But the color that I really wanted was orange. I don't know if they make that in the TR, but let me show you what they do got in the TR. Speaking of TR, I see a GR Corolla looking like the same one that I just sold. And actually, I sold mine to the Mazda dealership across the street. Spill the beans. I traded in my 2023 GR Corolla for the Mazda Miata. Same color. It's about the same car. Mine's had a little bit more sauce to it. Had the tent, had the Circuit Edition spoiler. This one is the performance pack. You can tell by the red brake calipers down there. And that's kind of what I'm looking for, to fill the need where the GR Corolla left off. Because I do regret selling that. Should have sold my Integra and kept my GR Corolla. But the choices I made is the choice I made, so I got to live with it. And over here, we got a TR in silver. You can tell the TRs, there's no badges on the exterior, but we can tell by these red Brimbos and these 19-inch wheels. So the wheel size is going to help denote what trim it is in the TR. And I know a TS is coming out soon, very soon, but the TR is here now. I'm here and I'm getting a phenomenal deal, which I'll talk about later. I might talk about it. I might not even talk about it because I don't know. People, I don't know. Let me know if y'all really want me to talk about what I'm doing. But the TRS here is great. Got the graphite wheels, but silver just does not do it for me. And all they have is grays. So, well, it kind of does it for me, kind of ruin that. I need a bright color, something that'll pop. And this don't do it. It does have the carbon fiber on it. But this ain't saucy enough for me. So the car I'm purchasing, they literally just drove past with it, but it's about to go get washed and detailed. So I'm about to go in here, meet the final boss, get this out the way so I can have my deal done. Last day of the month, y'all. That's the secret to getting these good deals. And Subaru, they're gonna have great interest rates. Shout out to Race Car France for putting us on that tip. Oh, but yeah, 2.9% for 4 years, and then we got 4.9% if you finance for 5 or 6 years. But let me head up in here, see where my sales guy is. We got another silver with the bow on it. Wonder who's that one for. Let me wait for the finance manager so I can wrap this up. All right, so we have the moment of truth. This is my salesman, Ilya. Ilya's been a huge help today, helped get this deal sealed. We worked on it. This was a fast deal, so we've been here a couple hours, but he got the deal done very quickly. So could you please give us your information if you're looking to buy a Subaru in the Ann Arbor or the Michigan area?
Hello guys, I'm Ilya Feldman at Subaru Ann Arbor. I've been in Subaru for about 8 years. I've been with Subaru Ann Arbor 2 years. My direct phone number is 734-622-9192, or you can reach me through the extension. It's 734-662-3444 and extension 338. My pleasure. If you guys need any new Subaru, amazing car, great service, great customer-friendly dealership, or pre-owned vehicle, my pleasure to help. Q, I believe, was very happy. We find him amazing car, and everything went very smoothly.
All right.
Thank you very, very much, guys.
All right, thank you. You've been exceptional. Exceptional. I appreciate you, Ilya.
Thank you.
All right.
Absolutely.
A couple hours later, we're all ready to reveal the car. Not that one, which should be my car, or an orange one. But here's my 2024 Subaru WRX TR. I got the graphite, so it's looking good. And it hides the cladding. Now, I don't have a problem with the cladding. A lot of people do, but this color hides it really, really well. Got the red Brembos with the snowflake star looking wheels like that. So I got the 6 pistons up front, 2 pistons in the rear. So this is gonna be a joy. I already took it on the test drive. I'll do a first drive later on. I'm not familiar with the roads out here, so I'll do it in my neck of the woods. Oh, look at that plate. But yeah, we got a couple options on here. Got the carbon fiber, rear trunk, whatever that is. And I got some all-weather mats. That about it. But yeah, let's take a look on the interior. So I did want a sunroof, but you can't get one of those on the TR, so no sunroof up in here. And I do have the Recaro seats. This is going to be one of the things that came from the GT, which is a CVT only vehicle, but I got it in my TR, so super supportive. It's like a 4-way power seat. Thought it was more, but we're going to be good. Huge bolster in there, gonna hold me in. 6-speed manual, of course. What you thought I was gonna do? I haven't paired my phone yet. Gotta do that. Gotta get all the paperwork. Actually, to seal the deal, I gotta get the car seat up in here. That's how you know it's official. So no vents back here. USB-A, USB-C. But yeah, man, I'm ready to shake, rattle, and roll. Let me get this out of here. Oh, there goes my all-weather floor mat. So darkness approaches. Got those aluminum pedals. But yeah, let me hurry up and wrap this up before it gets completely dark on me, because I got a ways to go home. Oh,
what up?
What's going on, man?
Congrats, man.
Thank you very much.
I like your car.
I like the way yours sound.
Hey, man, I still got more stuff I want to do to it, obviously, but...
Man, what's that? Oh, I see you got the color matched on here. Yeah. You mind if I get a video of this?
Yeah, dude. Take a video, yeah.
Man.
I've got NPN-T03s. I've got the carbon Noble front grille.
Oh, man, let me see.
The paint match flares, yeah.
Oh, that's nice. Looks good, man.
Thanks, man. What was your name?
Q.
Q, nice to meet you. Mike.
Nice to meet you.
Yeah.
What kind of exhaust you got on here?
This is the Aeroflow Dynamics Gold Titanium single exit exhaust.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. And there's a little burn hole in the back bumper.
Oh, man.
I need to replace it. So.
Got you. That brings the bass out in it. I like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, because this is...
I'll take you for a quick rip. It pops.
Let's go.
Yeah.
But yeah, I got
Don't mind that. That's from my girlfriend.
Oh, man. Does she use her foot to kick her
I
way
know,
out the car?
apparently so, man.
I do that too, man. It's a bad habit.
Yeah, if you get into catback exhaust on this and you like shift aggressively from like first to second, even third to fourth sometimes, like you'll get some pops.
Okay.
From it, and it's not tuned or anything. It's literally just a catback exhaust.
Oh man.
So yeah. For a quick rip, man.
Oh yeah.
You got big plans with that car?
I don't even know what I'm going to do. I'm new to the Subaru community, so I know I want an exhaust. I want some wheels on there. I got to get some winter setup. But
so yeah, I definitely recommend getting winter tires because the summer tires don't do jack in the wintertime.
Mm-hmm.
When you get winter tires, oh my god, it wakes the car up. Like in the wintertime, driving it with winter tires is a completely different experience.
Oh man.
Yeah, it's fun. Do you should I roll the windows up for better audio? Or?
Yeah. Well, actually, it'll be all right. You can leave it down just a little bit. I got the YouTube channel you can check out too. I'm out here vlogging for that.
Yeah, I definitely will. I'll subscribe to you for sure.
Thank you. I heard it, man.
Well, you haven't heard it yet.
I was still warming up, right?
Yeah, so it's warmed up, but like once you grab it aggressively for like 30 seconds, then you'll start hearing the pops.
Woo.
Yeah, they're like baby pops right now. Sometimes they be popping really loud.
Man, and this is still a stock tune, you said?
Yeah, it's stock. It's completely stock. Yeah.
Yeah, I got to get me an exhaust like tomorrow.
Yeah, you feel like a little pop.
Yeah. Yep. You plan on doing a tune at all?
I don't know because, so here's the thing. I have an 04 STI that is completely tuned. It's got an IAG Stage 4 closed deck block with a rotated Borg-Warner turbo setup. It makes like mid 600 horsepower. So that's like my
Yeah.
That's like my monster, you know what I mean?
Yep.
And it's like, this is my daily driver.
Yep.
So I low-key want to keep it stock just for like the warranty side of things. And
Right.
making sure I have a reliable car.
This car got some get up to it.
My bad if I was going too fast.
No, that's all good.
I figured you're a car guy. You're used to
Yeah,
it.
you got me ready for the pregame. Now I'm ready to drive.
I'm jealous of your car though, man. Like the TR came out before I bought this before that came out, and so finding out because before when I bought this car, you couldn't get Recaros in a manual. It wasn't possible.
That was the GT, right?
Yeah, the GT was the only thing that was out when I bought this car. It was either get a limited, a premium, or a GT, and I was like, I don't want a GT. And the limited, all you got was like fake Recaros basically, and then blind spot detection, power seat. And I'm like, I don't need a power seat. I don't need blind spot detection. I just want Recaros in a manual.
Yep.
And so yeah, so like, and then they came out with that. It's got eyesight technology, wireless Apple CarPlay. I still got the wired connection. So
Oh man.
I know, but it's all good, man.
And now I see they got the TS coming out.
Yeah,
so
they
I'm
got
like,
the TS with the digital. Yeah. It's just
I'm like, oh man, they keep coming out with stuff, everything but a STI. Like, where's the STI at?
Right. They got all like the old STI parts laying around. They're just making Frankenstein WRXs now. That's all they're doing.
Yeah.
But hey, man, that was nice
I
meeting you,
appreciate
man.
it. Nice to meet you. What's your name again?
Mikey.
Mikey.
Yeah.
Okay.
What was your YouTube? I'll look you up, man.
Q the Chaotic.
Yeah, man, I'm subscribed now.
I apprecied it,
Yeah,
man.
nice meeting you, man.
Nice to meet you too.
Yeah.
All right.
If you follow Blue Subi, but blue like the cheese, it's BLEU SUBI. That's my Instagram.
Race Car Friends was right, man. This Subi community is something a little bit different. This has been like the most friendly group of people I've encountered ever, man. I spoke to a bunch of people up in here. They all congratulated me, as they should, but man, that was above and beyond. I like this. So I might be here for a minute. I said that before, but this is going to be an experience. So this is the beginning. So we got at least a year, and then elephant in the room, the TS is about to come out, but it's not out yet. Should I trade out? I don't know. The car ain't even out yet. We don't know what it's going to cost, but I don't know. I ain't even drove my car yet since the test drive. I ain't even did my thumbnail or got myself out the other car. So let me do that right now. So it's a little bit too dark to do a driving video, but I'll get y'all one of those coming up soon. But this is it. This is the next car on the channel. unexpected. I'm surprising myself, but the deal was so good. The financial was great, and I didn't think it was gonna be able to happen. But Subaru of Ann Arbor, they hooked me up, so I'm here with a new car. I was so pessimistic about it, but they got the deal done. So let me know what mods you want to see on this car. I know these cars are highly modified, so whatever y'all want to see, let me know. Definitely need an exhaust on there. I want some wheels, tires. There's a lot that can be happening to these cars, but let me know if you got any highly recommended mods to do on that. Let me know what it is. I want to see it. This is all Acura Troy's fault. That's all I got to say about that. All right, so that's going to be it, folks. I got my stuff transferred out the car. So if he stayed this long, the Integra is going on to his next life, the next chapter of his life. I'm going on to the next chapter of my life. So we're parting ways. Thanks, Acura Troy. But here we are. So let me know what y'all want to see on this. Definitely appreciate y'all for coming here. Don't leave the channel yet. I still got other Hondas coming to the channel. Don't leave just for the Integra. Still going to have some Honda content at some point. So stay tuned for what's next. So I'm excited about what's to come. This next year is going to be a huge year for me on this channel. We're about to go whoop. So stay along for it. Got more connections, more cars coming to it, more manufacturers joining so I can get more access to certain events and things like that. So we're growing, we're glowing up as well. So appreciate y'all from the bottom of my heart. Thank y'all for being here. So let me get on home and eat dinner. But that's all I got to say about that. Make sure you drive safe, and I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.